The Discover It secured card charges a $0 annual fee, offers cashback, and refunds your security deposit when you upgrade or close in good standing. That combination makes it one of the lowest cost secured cards in 2026. By the end of this, you'll know every major fee on this card, what costs can still hit you, and whether it's worth choosing over other credit building options. Here's the direct answer. The annual fee is $0. That means you can keep the card open for years without paying just to hold it. The required security deposit starts at $200, and that becomes your credit limit. Unlike a fee, that money is refundable. If you use the card responsibly and eventually graduate to an unsecured card, Discover gives that deposit back. That's a big difference compared to products like Opensky, where you pay an annual fee on top of the deposit. Section 1. The everyday costs. Discover charges interest if you carry a balance. The APR varies, so that's the number to check before applying. If you pay in full every month, that cost stays at $0. There's also no foreign transaction fee. That matters if you travel or shop internationally. Late fees can apply if you miss payments. That's standard across almost every credit card. Section 2. What you actually get. This card earns 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter. It earns 1% on everything else. At the end of the first year, Discover matches all the cash back you earned. That's unusual for a secured card. Most secured cards focus only on credit building. This one gives rewards too. Section 3. The long-term value. Discover reviews your account starting at 7 months to see if you qualify for an upgrade. That means this card can become an unsecured card without needing a new application. That's one reason it's often compared against Capital One secured cards. Quick recap. The annual fee is $0. The minimum deposit is $200, and it's refundable. The main costs are interest and late fees if you misuse it. Your next step is simple. If you can afford the deposit, compare this against at least one other secured card before applying. If this helped break down the real costs, like the video and subscribe.